The purpose of this video tutorial is to explain simulation ordering and to explain how to change the simulation ordering. So for starters, I want to put a disclaimer out there. Most of the time, the vast majority of the time, the simulation ordering, which is the order in which the blocks are calculated, is correct as automatically calculated by ExtendSim, and you do not want to change it, or you may get unspecified changes in logic and probably undesirable behavior. That being said, there's some situations where you want to explicitly change the block of the ordering in which the blocks are calculated. In this particular example, and I'll show you why this simulation ordering is a problem here in particular. So if we go to the model menu and we say show simulation order, we can see shown in red now that the simulation is being calculated. The run stopping condition is being calculated after the plotter pulls in the data. If this is, or when this is the case, it's going to appear that your plotter does not capture that last data point, which is in fact true because it stops calculating before the run is being stopped by this run stopping condition equation block. So if we want to actually see the last data point being pushed out into the plotter, we're going to have to change that simulation order. Now you'll notice here, if we look in the model menu, the set simulation order is grayed out. In order to enable set simulation order, we're going to need to go to the run menu, simulation setup. And now we'll notice that there's a default flow order. Normally, again, we want to keep that. We're going to check custom. And now we're going to select the block whose order we want to adjust. Then when we go to the model menu, we can see that set simulation order is enabled, and we can explicitly enter the simulation order for that selected block. Other blocks around its simulation order will be adjusted. In this case, I don't know how many blocks there are in the model, so I'm just going to pick a large value because I want this plotter to be the last thing that's being calculated, and then click OK. Now notice now the red is showing that the equation block is being calculated 114th and the plotter block is being calculated afterwards, which is the desired result.